Now, now this is our first model, or only model, Doug as a baby. He makes quite a lovely baby, don't you think, Ken?
I do.
I think I'll keep him tucked in.
Alright.
We'll keep him calm. Now, for a day at the beach, this outfit is ideal. Don't be fooled by its similarity to the Pope's outfit. This is the outfit for a cat going to the beach.
Yeah,
A
it's
swim cap and sunglasses.
very nice.
And let's see. For those long... Ow! Stop it, Doug. And for those long winter days, when you're trying to keep your little earsies warm, you wear your little pom-pom cap outside. And then, on those days when you're feeling a little bit more casual, classy, go for this French beret and glasses. Quite lovely.
Looks like Jack Benny.
Who's he? No photos, please. And let's see. Now, any pet must have the attire to wear to a tea party. This hat is a bit heavier than all the others, but it makes up for it with its classy appeal.
He doesn't like the photos.
And any pet likes to be a pampered feline, but this tops them all with its jewel tone crown.
Ooh.
And if your pet is a little bit elderly and needs something to match her style, or, well, anyway. The bell top cap and sunglasses is ideal for elderly pets.
We're losing Romo.
And now, the ultimate bebop style
John
is
Lennon
a ball
asleep.
cap for the Cincinnati Reds and sunglasses.
Huh.
Nighty night.
It's better when he opens his eyes. Hello.